everybody, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? Oh the hell. So I'm actually going to make a really quick video. So it's gonna be a makeup video. I don't know what to tell you guys, but it's gonna be a random makeup video. I don't know, I'm gonna experiment with the foundation. Okay, not experiment, actually. The thing is, I bought this shit bloody foundation a week back. It's not even been a week, I think 3-4 days back. Rimmel lasting fucking foundation. It is horrible foundation on this planet. I used twice. You know what it does? It makes you look really nice in the beginning, like in the first 1 hour. After that it will just peel off, like not peel off, like it will, your skin feels dry and it will be like chipping off. It is the worst foundation I ever used, and it was for 11 or 10 pounds, 10-12 pounds, I think, somewhere between that. It's expensive foundation, but you see the quality is horrible. To be very honest, this foundation is by Nykaa All Day Matte, is 10 times better than this shit, and this is half the price. So yeah, I like this Nykaa foundation, but I also like this one. Fit Me foundation is far better. This is really waste of money. So today I want to waste this foundation, so I decided to throw this foundation, but I don't want to throw it like in the dustbin. I want to just experiment using this foundation. Okay, so for that I might need a beauty blender and my concealer brush. So this is my beauty blender. It's so big. I always wanted this, so I finally have it. So first of all, I'm going to do color correction. Did I moisturize my face? No. And the moisturizing is really important, so I'm going to use this cream I got from, I don't know from where I got, I think some random, oh no, Superdrug. I got it from Superdrug, if you can see. Oh, you can't see this random moisturizer. I got it like 1.5 months ago, I guess, or 2 months back, I'm not sure. Okay, after moisturizing, all I want to do is like color correct really quick. Actually, I'll also tell you the story what happened with me these days. Okay, so I really want to tell you my anger story. I don't know, actually, before I go into that, I want to quickly tell you that my phone is like broken. 2 months back, I was just walking in the rain and it slipped off my pocket and it broke. So my real iPhone screen is like Gorilla Glass, which I you know, got it changed because it broke, and I paid 40 pounds, I guess, to change the glass, and I got a new glass. So because of that thing, it doesn't you know, on sometimes when I, you know, try to on switch on my phone, it doesn't work, it doesn't on because of that change. I don't know what they did, and it's always like that. Since that month I'm facing this problem. But a few days back I was talking to my friend on video call, and then you know have an option of turning the camera to the other side, but that was not working. I'm sorry, the lighting, oh, it's the weather, sunlight. So the sunlight has gone. Yeah, it doesn't work. It stopped working. I was on the video call, it didn't work. I got really angry. I smashed my phone to the wall and it has broken like really bad. It's like some of the parts are like, they literally are showing from the inside, like how the phone is made. Imagine the condition of my phone is really bad. So I was really angry, that's why I did it. But now I'm gonna pay for my anger. My phone it is still working really well. Thank God the camera portion didn't break. It almost like coming out, but I can still record. Thank God for that. So that is that. I broke it like that, and because of that I'm just, you know, a bit reluctant to make more videos, and that's why I'm not making videos. It's been like 2 days since I broke my phone, and yeah, 2 or 3 days I think. So yeah, anyways, I got this big beauty blender which I always wanted. It's really big, and the whole purpose of the video is like to waste this product because I don't like this foundation at all. So I'm gonna use it so much today because it's a shit. I need to put more. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender. Where is my mirror? It is so soothing. You know, you would feel more dry if you use this. Never use this one. Don't buy this foundation at all. This is the worst foundation on this planet. I hate it so much. just want to throw this, so that's why I'm putting on this much. But if you're getting ready to go to work or somewhere, you don't have to use this amount of foundation on your face for daily basis. My beauty blender. This is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna take a little more foundation on my concealer brush. I'm gonna put it loose powder brush. I'm gonna look up and bake. I'm gonna take this what is called press powder. I'm gonna take my brush, powder brush. I'm gonna powder my face. And take some random makeup palette. Anyways, I'm not going to go to a no, I'm not going for shopping, so it's just okay to do any random foundation. This one, it's not blue, it's purple. Take that. I don't know why am I always doing purple eyeshadows. Eyeliner, gel eyeliner by Revolution. Not that great, not that bad, okay. So I'm done with my eyeliner. As you can see, I forgot to film. So I'm doing my eyebrows at the moment. Okay, so I'm taking this kajal. Actually, this is like an eyeliner I bought from Temu, but it's a horrible eyeliner because this would smudge like really bad. So I'm not gonna use it, but I didn't feel like throwing it, so I decided to use it as an eyebrow cream. So that's what I'm doing. I'm painting my eyebrows with this black, jet black kajal. I'm gonna take my blusher. Go because my face absolutely has no color, so I have no option now. Okay, so this is too much. This is perfect. Okay, I'm gonna make it nude. Oh yeah, it is nude. This is how my face looks like. I am done with the makeup. Now I'm gonna get ready really quick. I mean, dress up. Okay, this looks nice, but after like an hour or two, it's just be really bad. Like you can't really go like this to work. Like mine is like 13-14 hour shift. Like I leave my home at like 6:50 and I come back home at like 9 o'clock. So and by the time I come out, makeup will be really bad, chipping off from this side, from that. It doesn't look nice. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And I did not do any eyelashes because I'm going to grocery shopping, that's why. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it. And for my hair, I'm gonna do like a messy ponytail. Like, yeah, I already have a ponytail. I'm gonna do like a pony. I'm gonna leave my hair. And also my hair got wet in the shower last night. Was when I put my hair in a bun and I showered, it was all wet, so I didn't take my hair, I kept it in a bun. That's why it's like natural waves, you can see. So if you want natural waves, bun your hair, wash your hair wash your hair and sleep overnight with it, with the damp hair, and you'll get this. And I'm gonna do a haul video today, maybe, I'm not sure, most probably will, because I've got so many nice clothes and I really want to show it off on camera. So I might just do it. Let me body lotion. My hands are really dry and my girlfriend is waiting because we are actually going out. So that's it. Guys, this is how I look in natural light. Okay, well, I was making the video in natural light, so I I like now. I like it with makeup on. I wish I have some, like, I really want to invest in a good foundation, so I most probably I'm gonna buy Estee Lauder. I don't know. There's so many good brands, but really high-end brands. So I'm gonna spend like £40 on a really good quality foundation. I'm gonna do that because I really like putting makeup on, and my makeup should last long because I work 14-hour shift and I work 3 days in a week, and yeah. All right, I really hope you like this quick makeup. Or maybe let me what am I speaking? Wait, let me show you some nice outfits. Okay, I'll come back. I'll just put the outfit and I'll show you how it's gonna look on me. Okay. So guys, this is how my outfit looks like. This is like really cute green dress, and I'm gonna quickly lip gloss my lips. Ooh, what a shine. This is how it looks like. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna head out. Bye. Love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Things happen in our fucking like my feet is bad. I can't even buy new phone. Finally, this mess has been cleared.
Too good for.
I feel sad.
What you told?
What?
Invite.
Go sew my stuff. What the fuck are you doing? Bye.